Hi watchmaker subscribers and any new visitors. This is a beautiful example of a quality mean Swiss made chronograph. Model number B859 circa 2008. I'll be showing you how to replace the battery and the O-ring. This watch is 40mm wide without the crown. It has gold coloured accents and these are all offset nicely by a white dial, almost ceramic to the look, and a slightly raised flat sapphire crystal. With the crown it measures 43mm wide and overall thickness is 11mm. It is full stainless steel including the double clasp bracelet. Now let's open it up to see what's inside. Remove the clasp pin. Just like that. The caseback is screw on, rotate anti-clockwise to remove. I use a wooden skew to stop scratching, unlike the previous owner of this watch. Ceramic tip tweezers are the best when working with a watch, and gloves or finger cots are definitely needed. This will stop moisture getting on the movement and the battery, which will reduce its life. And there is the Swiss quality movement. There's one screw to remove, and a little bit of pressure on the battery bracket. This will stop the screw from escaping. Use a flathead screwdriver and needle point tweezers to remove it safely. Gently pry off the battery bracket. This is locked into place with two end tabs. Remove the old battery. Replaced with Renata 395 SR927SW 1.55 volts. Place the battery back in and reverse the process. Tabs are angled down with the battery bracket. And then replace the screw. Dust down before replacing the caseback. And if you're replacing the O-ring, do the following, otherwise skip forward. Gently edge back the old O-ring. Afterwards wipe it down with a bit of isopropyl alcohol to remove any fragments from the O-ring. Replace with a 30mm by 0.5mm O-ring. Just like that one. Coat it with some silicone grease. As this is a vintage watch, it won't be waterproof, but this will help the dust and the dirt from getting into the movement and make it rain and splash proof. Gently place it back on and the case back. Now let's all put it back together and see if it works. Clasp pin back in, a little bit of pressure. There we go. Check the second hand dial is working and test the chronograph functions. Good as new. One click crown out to change the date and two for the time. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see more like this, please like and subscribe.